First, I gotta cut the hole. But, I'm sorry. First, you have to trace out the hole. So you trace it out on a cardboard, put the little cutout cardboard on it, and then trace it. I was using this rotary to start. This door isn't that thick, but I'm gonna have to go in with my other saw. But for now, I'm trying to get the lines nice and straight. So, there you go. Voila. Go. You can come out in a minute. Thank you. Be safe. Always hurt myself. So they want you to use the double-sided tape. So to put on the door. Aw, look at that. You did it. You want to come in with me? Hold on. Hold on, Vivi. Hold on. You got to come in through the door. Come on. Look at that. Come on, Luna. Come on, baby. Come on, don't be scared. Come on, step over. Now, if the baby can do it, I know you can do it. Come on, Luna. Good girl. Come on, baby. Yes. Look at you, homie. Oh, you hit Nala in the face. Come on, Nala. It ain't gonna swing now, homie. Come on, baby. Nala. She's the one that's gonna be hard. Good girl, Luna. Show your sister. Come on, Nala. Come on, Nala. Now, you want a snack? Come on. Come on. Guess what I got if you do it? Come on, Nala. Ooh, a snack, Nala. Y'all did so good, baby. Nala. Come on, Nala. Push it, homie. Push it. Come on. I can't. Come on. Come on. You got to push it. Nala, come on. Push it, baby. I can't push it. Watch out.
Bruh.
Wait. All right, come on. I got to see if you can even get in there. It's okay. Come on, step. Just, okay. She trying. Come on, mama, now. He did it. You'll get it. Come on, baby. You got to learn how to do it. All right. Hold on. I'm going out, and I'm going to see if y'all can go out one more time. Stay right there. Stay. So this little one, I tell you, he see snaps. He going to run out.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Good girls.
Oh.
Hey, thanks for watching. This is Naturally Me, everything DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.